Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. Today I'm going to be helping you with Module 1, Lesson 23. Let's get started. We talked today again about conversions and rates, and we learned that we can not only have rates that compare distance to time. We can have any kind of rate as long as we are comparing two different units and the denominator of our rate is a 1. So let's take a look at our problem today. We have a 6th grade math teacher can grade 25 homework assignments in 20 minutes. Is this working at a faster rate or a slower rate than grading 36 homework assignments in 30 minutes? So I want to split the screen a little bit here, and as a matter of fact, let me use this other tool. I haven't used this yet, and that's a straight line tool. That's nice, but it is white, so I wonder if I can use a different color. Let me see. Here we go. Oh, I can. Okay, let's try this. All right, so I'm going to take that back out and then split the screen. Oh, look at that. Mr. Shankel getting fancy. All right. I want to take a look at the 25 homework assignments in 20 minutes first. So I'm going to write that down. 25 assignments in 20 minutes. So right now that is what I'm starting with, my ratio that I'm starting with, 25 assignments graded in 20 minutes. And then on the other side I have 36 homework assignments graded in 30 minutes. Well, if I just leave it like this, I can't really tell because, well, on the one hand I can see that 36 assignments graded. That's more than 25. So maybe it's this one, but then again, it does take 30 minutes to do those 36 assignments. So maybe it's better if I only take 20 minutes. That means I'm getting my work done faster, but then I'm only doing 25 assignments. So right now I can't tell. But if I change these into a rate with a unit rate and a rate unit, then I should be able to see which one is the faster rate, which one's moving at a quicker pace. So I can do this a couple of ways. I can make an equivalent ratio, and I can see this that if I'm going to make a rate, then my bottom number, my number of minutes, has to be a 1. So I'd have to divide by 20 here. 20 divided by 20 would give me the 1 minutes, and if I divide by 20 in the denominator, I have to divide by 20 in the numerator, and that would be 25 twentieths. So let's write that in there, 25 twentieths of an assignment per minute. All right, let's take a look at the other one. Same thing, only this time I'm going to divide by 30 to change my denominator into 1 minute. And then if I have to divide by 30 in the denominator, I have to divide by 30 in the numerator. So this is 36 thirtieths assignments. Well, I still don't know what that means, but I can go a step further and find out how many assignments is 25 twentieths. Well, this is just a division problem. It's 25 divided by 20. 20 goes into 25 once. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract, I get 5 left over. Add a decimal and a 0 and bring it down. And now I can see that 20 goes into 50 2 times. 2 times 20 is 40. Subtract, I get 10. bring down another 0, and 20 goes into 100 5 times. So my decimal in my question goes straight up into my answer. So my answer is 1.25 answers per minute. Assignments per minute. 1.25 assignments per minute. So there's the first rate. Second one is, again, another division problem. It's 36 divided by 30. So 36 divided by 30. And I know 30 goes into 36 one time. 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract, you get 6. Add a decimal and a 0 and bring it down. And now 30 goes into 60 2 times, and it's even. So my decimal goes straight up into my answer. So the second example, I can grade 1.2 assignments per minute. Now, which one's faster? Well, if I add a 0 here, 1.20, and this one is 1.25. So the faster rate is this one. 1.25 assignments per minute is faster than 1.20 assignments per minute. So again, just using a rate to figure out a comparison, and it always goes back to, if we can make one thing the same, then we can compare. The two things. So I have to make one thing the same. In this case, I've been able to make the number of minutes the same. Those are right here. 1 minute compared to 1 minute. And as soon as I do that, then I can compare the number of assignments done in the same amount of time, and we can compare them and find out which one's faster. So again, we're using rates. One more time, the number part is the unit rate, and the unit part is the rate unit. Okay, and we've talked about that a few times. All right, that's lesson 23. We're getting close to the end of Unit 1, so keep watching the videos and asking good questions in class. I hope that helps. We'll see you again next time.